Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you some most amazing and beautiful designing ideas of crochet baby frocks. You will see most unique and amazing full flare crochet frocks ideas in this video. All of them are mostly for 1 to 2 year baby girl. You can see these designs are mostly of short frocks and medium sized length frocks, and these designs are all having very attractive and beautiful baby colors which are mostly suitable for baby girls of 1 to 2 year. And you can see these designs are mostly having light color schemes, and a few of the designs are having dark color schemes as well, which are also giving an extremely unique and beautiful look due to their unique color schemes. And these designs are having different embellishments on them as well. Most of the designs are having ribbons on them, and ribbon flowers are also added on them. So different designing ideas with different crochet patterns and different embellishments are included in this video, and I hope you're gonna love them all. So if you love them, just give this video a big thumbs up as well, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. After pressing the red subscribe button, press the bell icon and then all option as well, so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get notifications of each and you won't miss any future update from this channel. So just stay connected and also share this video with other handmade products lover in your circle, so that they can also get benefit from these type of ideas videos which contain latest trends and unique ideas of crochet products and all other handmade products too, which are mostly related to wearable accessories of women and kids and related to home decoration ideas as well. So you can find tutorial videos which are already available on my channel of these kinds of crochet baby frocks as well. I will put the links in description box if you are interested in checking the tutorial videos as well. And if you are interested in seeing more tutorial videos of crochet baby frocks, let me know in the comments as well about any specific design which is currently not available on my channel. I will make tutorial videos on your request too. So just stay connected and also share your opinion about any specific crochet product, and you can let me know in the comments about any specific crochet question related to any project. I will make answers of your questions too. So don't forget to subscribe and take a screenshot of the design which you like the most and you want to make it by yourself at home. These designs can be mostly made with bigger sizes as well. So if you are making these designs for 3 to 4 year baby girl, you can also make them by just increasing the waist size and length of these frocks, and these can be made very easily. Thank you for watching. Bye.